Active coaching in Agile refers to a highly engaged and hands-on approach where Agile coaches work directly with teams, guiding and mentoring them in real time to help them internalize Agile principles and improve their performance. This kind of coaching goes beyond traditional classroom instruction or periodic check-ins. It's about being present during team events and activities, and intervening when necessary to help teams learn, grow, and adapt on the job. At its core, active coaching means that the coach is embedded with the team, much like a sports coach on the field. Instead of only explaining Agile theory or providing templates, the coach observes how the team works, identifies patterns or anti-patterns, and provides immediate feedback or support. This real-time engagement allows problems and inefficiencies to be addressed as they occur, making learning more effective and contextual. A significant part of active coaching is, facilitating team events such as daily stand-ups, sprint planning reviews and retrospectives. The coach doesn't lead these meetings, but makes sure they are productive, focused, and always aligned with Agile values. If a stand-up is starting to turn into more of a status meeting, the coach might step in gently to guide the team back to the real purpose of the ceremony, fostering team synchronization and identifying blockers. Active coaches also help team members grow in their roles. For example, they might work with product owners on improving backlog refinement and writing better user stories, or support Scrum Masters in dealing with team dynamics and removing impediments. By working closely with individuals, and not just the group, the coach makes sure that personal growth lines up with team growth and ultimately organizational agility. One of the hallmarks of active coaching is, honestly, modeling Agile behavior. Coaches demonstrate qualities like transparency, collaboration, servant leadership, and adaptability in their interactions. They serve as examples of how to really live the Agile mindset, which helps build a culture where those values can thrive. This kind of behavior is often more impactful than lectures or presentations, since it shows teams how Agile actually works in real situations. Another important aspect is that active coaching adapts to the maturity of the team. For teams that are new to Agile, the coach might take a more directive approach, teaching frameworks, introducing ceremonies, and helping define roles. But for more experienced teams, the coach steps back, observes, and only intervenes when the team is struggling or needs guidance on fine-tuning its processes. Coaches also help the team develop a stronger sense of ownership and self-organization. Through questioning and reflection, they encourage teams to think critically about their processes and make their own decisions. Instead of solving problems for them, active coaches help teams discover and implement their own solutions, which leads to deeper learning and stronger commitment. A vital part of active coaching is feedback. Agile coaches provide immediate, respectful and actionable feedback during or after key moments. This might happen after a poorly facilitated retrospective or when a team repeatedly misses commitments. The feedback isn't meant to criticize, but to promote awareness and inspire improvement. In larger organizations or scaled Agile settings, active coaches work across multiple teams and layers. They may also coach leadership, helping executives understand their role in supporting Agile transformations. For example, an active coach might guide leaders in creating an environment where experimentation is safe and continuous. Learning is encouraged. Real-world examples of active coaching come from companies like Spotify, where Agile coaches work side by side with squads and tribes. These coaches don't just run training sessions, they attend team rituals, help resolve cross-team dependencies, and facilitate continuous improvement across the organization. Their constant presence builds trust and enables sustained cultural change. In conclusion, active coaching in Agile is about being deeply involved in the daily life of Agile teams. It's an approach that prioritizes interaction, continuous learning, and real-time support. By being present and engaged, active coaches help teams build their own Agile capability, making them more resilient, self-sufficient, and adaptable in the face of change. This kind of coaching is a key driver for successful Agile adoption and long-term organizational agility.